Hey everyone, today I will solve a very interesting problem, that is, suppose you have given a very large number, say the number is to the power 301, and if it asks that if it is divided by 5, what will be the remainder? So how to solve this kind of problems? This kind of problem is not very difficult to solve, but actually depends on the type of number you are given. So to do this kind of problems, the length of the number is actually not important. Only the last digit is important. So if I have a number that is 1000, say 532, then the last digit will be important, or rather the last few digits will be important depending on the type of number we are dividing. So since the number is 5 here, so only the last digit will be important to get the remainder value. So to do this kind of problem, at first we will try to see cube power of 2. So to the power 2 is 2, to the power 2 is 4, to the power 3 is 8, to the power 4 is 16, to the power 5 is 32. Note that the last digit repeats itself after 4 powers. So we can write 2 to the power 301 or 301, however you speak, it doesn't matter actually, to the power 4 to the 75 into 2, which is equal to 301. So it can be written as 16 to the power 75 times 2. Now you know, as the last digit is 6, so 6 raised to the power any integer gives you 6 as the last digit. So the last digit of 16 is 6. So I will explain that once more. So you can see 6 to the power 1 is 6, 6 to the power 2 is 36, so the last digit is 6. So if you multiply 6 many times, the last digit will be 6, independent of the number of times you are multiplying 6. So the 16 raised to the power 75 will give 6 as the last digit, that is the unit digit. It is multiplied by 2. So if you multiply 6 with 2, the last digit will give 2. Therefore the remainder of this problem, that is 2 to the power 301 by 5, is 2. So hope you have understood how to solve this kind of problem. One more thing I would like to say here is that suppose you are given a different number, say 2 to the power 301 divided by 15, and it is asked find the remainder. Then instead of first one digit, you may have to take two digits, actually the tens and the units digit, to solve this kind of problem. So suppose if the number is 13257, then you need to check the last two digits to find the remainder of this problem. So actually, the number of digits you are going to check actually depends on the number with which you are dividing. So if the number is in between 1 to 10, then unit digit is enough. So hope you like this video. If you learned anything from it, do comment, and I would appreciate any kind of suggestions. Thank you.